Today we're gonna go over an exciting topic that I'm sure is gonna help all your eBay sellers out there. We're diving deep into the eBay algorithm and uncovering everything you need to know in 2023. And I'm gonna give you 4 key factors that influence the eBay algorithm and also 3 best practices to succeed with it, okay? So the eBay's algorithm is designed to enhance the buying and selling experience in its platform. So it provides relevant search results to users and promote listings that are likely to attract buyers. And the name of this algorithm is called cassini. And this is the formula that eBay uses to sort listings, and it considers, a number of different factors. And we're gonna go over the most important 4 factors, because while the exact details of eBay's algorithm are not publicly disclosed, we know for personal experiences and from a lot of research that these 4 key factors influence the eBay algorithm in a good way if you know how to manage them. So factor number 1 is product title. It's essential to create relevant and descriptive titles that include keywords related to your product. This will increase the visibility of your listings and attract more potential buyers. The second factor is item specifics. These are specific details about your product, such as size, color, condition, and accurately filling them out will help categorize your listings and match them with relevant searches. Factor number 3 is product descriptions. They play a vital role in the eBay algorithm, because when you have clear and detailed descriptions, not only help buyers make informed decisions, but also indicate the relevance and quality to the algorithm. Factor number 4 is seller performance metrics. eBay evaluates your performance based on factors like feedback rating, on-time shipping, customer satisfaction. So maintaining a good seller performance boosts your visibility in the algorithm. So you have these factors down. Now let me tell you the 3 best practices for eBay algorithm success. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. So in my opinion, these 3 are the best practices to succeed with the eBay algorithm. The first one is pricing. Pricing can significantly impact your visibility on eBay. So in order to add value to your listings in terms of pricing, use the promotion feature. Promote your listings on eBay. Also, use the strike-through price. What you do is you first increase your listing price, then you add 15% markdown sale, because it creates a sense of reasonable buying in the mind of the buyer, and he's attracted to to purchase the item from here. Number 2 comes down just to being reliable and shipping everything as fast as possible. This is very crucial for seller performance and algorithm ranking. So you have to provide tracking number within handling time. This is the best practice. You can also edit tracking before the order is delivered. But once the order is delivered, you can't edit track information. All you need here is that you can add new tracking in that case. If your delivery time is 5 to 8 days, then the item must be delivered in this time frame, because eBay tracks your tracking and calculates time from there. Okay, very important. 3, eBay offers various promotion features and marketing tools that can positively impact your visibility. If you have an eBay store subscription, then you can use these eBay marketing tools to increase your sales. So let's look at a few of them. One is, you could utilize Markdown Manager. The second one, you can offer promotional shipping. 3rd, use promoted listings. 4, take advantage of promotional emails. 5th, use eBay's social media integration. You can use all these above features to reach buyers and convince them to purchase from you, from specialized offers tailored for you, okay? So there you have it. These are the key takeaways about the eBay algorithm in 2023. It is very important to note that eBay frequently updates and refines its algorithm to enhance the user experience and improve search results. So sellers should stay informed about eBay's latest guidelines, best practices, and updates through the official eBay resources, seller forum and announcements. That's very important. Now, keep moving forward and see you next time.